Who did this?
Got the French toast station over here.
Yeah.
Good job, Shane.
It's still fucking.
Well, it's good enough for who it's
Get
for.
it?
Cattle guard right there.
Nice. Nice. Oh, dang. Woo. These tires are flexing. Keep going. Oh.
Didn't see that one.
Okay. He's gonna. You might hit his. Oh. That was so close.
Hit the slider.
Yeah. He missed it by probably a half inch.
No commitment.
Dummy.
Oh, I forgot there's a hole in this boot. Howdy.
Oh, how you
It's whiskey
doing?
30. That's how Mitch's wheel being.
Nice and shaky.
No, I got human gimbal.
Oh yeah, gimbal time. Arm. Shane,
What's up?
cars not recommended.
This is a sick shot.
Oh, nice.
So cool up here, man.
What'd you think of that one?
That was exciting.
That was a fun one.
Hey, how you doing?
Just rolling up on scene of incident 276. We got a dude in a 4Runner who appears to have fucked it.
This is why you don't listen to Shane.
Look at that flex, though. Don't listen to Shane.
Put it in reverse. Turn right, put it in reverse. Okay, go.
Put her in 4 low.
We'll put that hole there. Should I try it again?
Yeah, definitely should try it again.
What we got here?
Shane was having fun and decided to throw rocks in my exhaust. I don't know why. I think that's cool, but don't go anywhere too soon. We're gonna do something stupid.
Doesn't work when you only got 2 wheels on the ground. Oh God.
She didn't call you a pansy, don't worry about it.
Look at that farticulation. Pin it.
I can't get up that quick. That's a lot
You're too heavy.
Yeah, well, it's a lot of like articulation right at the bottom, and I can't get up that.
Oh, that's
like,
a
I can't
huge
blast
divot.
up it.
To bounce at an angle.
We're not doing that today.
Oh.
Jess is getting nervous.
There he goes. He's got it. Oh, that's deep. Oh, he stoved her. Oh, he got out again.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, now you need to go whip again because I need to get it on video.
Ah.
Yeah.
Easy.
Oh. Dude, look at his tire, how tucked it is. Rock, rock. Rock, rock.
BDR in the fall. Yeah,
Is this fall technically?
I mean, it's
October?
kind of fall, kind of winter. I don't
October
know.
30th.
October.
2022.
Yeah, it's October
Do
30th.
you have to look at your watch to figure that out?
Yep. How much snow do we have? We got like
like 6 inches.
6 inches.
4 to 6
There's over a
inches.
foot in some areas going through the winters.
I couldn't make it through the snow. There's some sections I tried to go. You'll see that video, but I could not make it through the snow. It was bad.
Yeah, so some of the snow is really deep. All the roads are pretty good, but way better than probably doing in the summer. I don't know. This is a ride.
I would 100% rather do this in the winter with snow on the ground than do this in the summer with just dirt trails.
I guess at least
with snow.
with vehicles, yeah. With dirt bikes or
with
touring bikes, you wouldn't want to do it in this time of the year.
With the BDR meant for adventure bikes, it's a lot better with off-road vehicles versus adventure bikes to do in the winter. But to each their own. We're having a good time.
Easy.
All right, we just got done with the top 2 sections of, oh, hello, the BDR. What are your thoughts?
Cool. Lots of snow.
Would you keep doing it?
Yeah. I'd run it.
Hell yeah. Mitch?
Bumpy.
Good to know. Do you want to keep going?
Yeah, I need
Eventually continue
I
on?
need new car parts, but yes.
Nothing broke, but just modifications.
Nothing broke, but yeah, stepping it up a little.
Sanus?
Yeah, I'd keep going.
Do you think your Subaru would have made it?
I think so.
Are you taking it on the next section of the trail?
Why not?
All right, well,
You heard it here first.
We got toasted.
I don't think Shane's going to make it with a Subaru, but he's going to try it anyway.
We'd love
Then
to see
you
you
have a
try
reason
it.
to get a forerunner.
It's true. Pat and Jess, did you have fun on the first sections?
Yes.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
In the snow again?
Yes.
Even though you froze your ass off?
I didn't.
Oh, that's good. All right. Catch you on the other side for the next 2 sections.